This video tutorial I will explain URI. URI stands for Uniform Resource Identifier. It might sound a bit technical, but we can think of URI as the way to give something on the internet a name or an address. We can imagine internet is like a huge library filled with books. Each book has a unique code on its spine, like library catalog number. This unique code helps the librarian or anyone else to find the book they are looking for on the shelves. In the similar way, like library analogy, URI is like a unique code for something on the internet. It helps computers and web browsers to find and access specific things like web pages, pictures, videos, or documents. For example, when you type a website address like www.google.com into your web browser, that is nothing but URI. It is telling the browser, hey, go to the exact place on the internet and fetch the web page with this specific name. So in simple terms, a URI is like a internet address. That makes it easy to find and access things on the online. And it is a way we navigate the vast world of the internet. Here you can see the example of URI, https://www.google.com/page1. In this example, HTTPS is nothing but scheme or protocol, which indicates that we are using Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure or HTTPS protocol to access the resource. www.google.com. It is nothing but domain or host name, which specifying the location of the resource on the internet. Page 1 is nothing but the path, which indicates the specific page or resource we want to access on the website. So when you enter this URI into the web browser, it tells the browser to use the HTTPS protocol to go to the website hosted at www.google.com and navigate to page 1 resource. This is how your browser knows where to find and display the web page you are looking for. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.